Dumelang, ke a le amogela mo Losika Writes. Nna ke bidiwa Tshegofatso. Hello, welcome to Losika Writes. I am Tshegofatso, and today we're talking wedding songs. I don't know, this is episode 6, 7 of Setswana wedding songs, and this is a true jam. I'll try and tag it somewhere because the instrumental is top notch. But yeah, I am completely homesick. I miss a Setswana wedding where, you go and sing, dance, and be merry with the people that mean a lot to you. But alas, I'm here in miserable Melbourne winter and being homesick. So this one is a bit long. I can just hear the trumpet song. I'll try and tag it as I said. And it's basically saying that the cows, so in Setswana culture, when you get married as a bride, there is what we call a bride price, a dowry. So usually about 8 or so, doesn't really matter whether you are a doctor like me or not. So usually about 8 cows are what your husband's family gives to your family as a bride, as a thank you, because obviously your labor and everything will now be at your groom's family. So as a thank you for raising you and kind of also building community, having the two families unite, yeah? So there's that whole transfer of cows. So this song is talking about the cows came home and they were not quite enough. They were not enough. So this person, or this bride prize, was for 7 cows, but only 6 arrived. And then they're trying to explain what happened to the 7th cow. I don't quite get what happened to the 7th cow. If you understand the song a bit better, please comment down below. I will just sing the song. And then I think it's 2 people having a conversation, or someone stating that if the cows are not enough, you gotta return them. And if you return them, then the marriage is off. So it doesn't really sound like a wedding song, but it is a wedding song, okay? Just trust the process. It's a wedding song about the cows. So don't judge the vocals, remember that. Let's get started. Kgomo di tshelela, ya bosupa supile masupa tsela. Kgomo di tshelela, ya bosupa supile masupa tsela. Na di sa felang ka di busa, na di sa felang ka di busetsa morao. Na di sa felang ka di busa, na di sa felang ka di busetsa morao. Kgomo di tshelela. The cows have arrived. There were 6 of them. Ya busupa supile masupa tsela. The 7th one, I think no one knows about the 7th one. I think I'm understanding it right. Na di sa felang ka di busa. Na, for me, if they are not complete, I would return them. Na di sa felang ka di busetsa morao. Na, if they are not complete, di sa fella nka di busetsa morago. I would return them back. It sounds sad, doesn't it? But it's actually, the instrumental is the banger. Kgomo di tshelela, ya bosupa supile masupa tsela. Na di sa felang ka di busa, na di sa felang ka di busetsa morao. I'm getting lost. Because, yeah, I love singing. And I love my culture. And I'm here sharing it with you all. Remember to like, subscribe, do all the things, and comment down below if you're Botswana. Have I understood this song right? Is it just like someone who's about to be petty and return the cows, or what's happening? Till next time, bye.